In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Ecwid account. If you're looking to set up an online store effortlessly, then this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. We'll start by navigating to the Ecwid website where you can kick off your journey towards building an online store. First, let's open your web browser and head over to a search engine, like Google. In the search bar, type Ecwid and press enter. This should display several search results, but you'll want to focus on the official website. Look for the link that reads Number 1 E-commerce shopping cart and online store. Try Ecwid and click on it. This will take you to Ecwid's homepage, and it's exactly where we need to be. Once you're on Ecwid's homepage, direct your attention to the button that says Get Started. This is your gateway to creating an account, so go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to a new page designed to help you set up a new account. At this step, you'll be prompted to fill out various details such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate and that you remember your password for future logins. If at any point you need to reset your password, Ecwid's customer support team can guide you through the process. After you've filled in your details, the next step is setting up your store. Ecwid makes this straightforward by offering helpful tips and prompts as you go through the setup process. They provide all the necessary tools to customize your store according to your needs, ensuring you have it just the way you want. For those who prefer more convenient sign-up methods, Ecwid offers additional options. You can choose to sign up using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account. Each of these options allows you to speed up the sign-up process by using existing credentials. This is particularly useful if you want to save time or if you frequently use these platforms for online services. Once you've completed these steps and your account is up and running, you're all set to start adding products and managing your store through the Ecwid platform. They offer user-friendly interfaces and comprehensive documentation to help you along the way. Whether you're tech-savvy or just starting out, Ecwid is designed to support different levels of user expertise. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Ecwid account. You're now equipped to start your e-commerce journey, opening the doors to a myriad of possibilities for selling products online. If you have any questions or run into issues, remember that there are support resources available to help you achieve your online business goals. Thanks for watching and happy selling.